Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the top 12 kitchen design trends taking over 2026. Whether you're renovating or just dreaming, these ideas are shaping the future of kitchen style. These trends come straight from top designers and real homes, so you know they're the real deal. Remember, trends are inspiration, not rules. Pick what speaks to you. Let's jump in and see which trend you'll fall in love with. First up, let's talk about one of the biggest shifts in kitchen design this year, the return of warm wood tones. For years, all-white kitchens dominated the scene, offering a clean and minimalist look. But now, homeowners and designers alike are embracing the natural beauty and inviting feel of wood. Warm wood cabinetry is making a major comeback, and it's easy to see why. Replacing the stark, all-white kitchens of the past decade, wood brings a sense of comfort and personality that many felt was missing. The transition from white to wood isn't just a trend, it's a response to our desire for spaces that feel lived in and welcoming. Rich walnut, honey oak, and ash cabinetry are everywhere, adding warmth, depth, and a touch of luxury. These woods offer a range of tones, from deep and dramatic to light and airy, allowing you to customize your kitchen's mood. And don't worry, this isn't about going rustic or old-fashioned. Today's wood kitchens feature modern lines, sleek hardware, and natural wood grain as the star. The result is a space that feels both contemporary and timeless. These warm tones create a cozy, timeless foundation that's perfect for busy families and home cooks alike. Plus, wood is much more forgiving to daily messes and fingerprints than stark white surfaces, making it a practical choice for real life. You don't need to commit to an all-wood kitchen to enjoy this trend. Try adding wood on an island, open shelving, or even a vent hood for a subtle yet impactful update. Mixing wood with painted cabinets or stone countertops creates a balanced, layered look. Even small wood accents, like butcher block counters, wooden trays, or utensil holders, can instantly warm up your space and transform the overall vibe. Ultimately, wood brings soul and character back into the kitchen, making it a place where people want to gather, cook, and connect. Whether you go big or small, adding wood is a timeless way to make your kitchen feel truly inviting. Bold cabinet colors are making waves in kitchen design. Navy, sage, and terracotta are leading the charge as the most sought-after shades this year. These colors aren't just a fleeting trend. They're redefining what it means to have a stylish, personality-filled kitchen space. Whether you decide to go all in with floor-to-ceiling color, or simply add a pop of personality with an accent island or a statement pantry door, these hues offer endless possibilities. Navy brings a timeless, classic feel that works beautifully in both traditional and modern kitchens. Sage green, on the other hand, is calming and fresh, evoking a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. Terracotta, with its earthy undertones, infuses warmth and energy into the heart of your home. It's a color that feels both grounded and vibrant, making it perfect for those who want their kitchen to feel inviting and full of life. Designers are embracing these bold shades to craft kitchens that truly reflect your unique style and taste. By mixing and matching these colors, you can create a space that feels curated and personal. To keep things balanced, pair these vibrant cabinet colors with neutral countertops or natural wood accents. This combination helps ground the boldness and ensures your kitchen feels harmonious and inviting. Even the smallest details, like brass hardware or modern pendant lighting, stand out beautifully against colorful cabinetry, adding an extra layer of sophistication and charm. If you're dreaming of a kitchen that truly stands out and makes a statement, now's your chance to embrace these bold colors and create a space that's as vibrant and unique as you are. Matching hardware is out. Mixing metals is in for 2026. Combine brass, matte black, chrome, or copper for a curated designer look. Repeat each finish at least twice for a cohesive feel. Mixing metals adds depth and lets you highlight special pieces. Start small. maybe just your faucet and pulls to test the waters. The result? A kitchen that feels layered and uniquely yours. Don't be afraid to experiment. Ornate details are fading. Clean, minimalist lines are taking over. Flat front cabinets, integrated handles, and subtle textures are everywhere. The goal is a calming, uncluttered space that's easy to live in. Play with texture, ribbed wood or fluted glass, for interest without fuss. This style adapts to both modern and traditional homes. Cleaner lines mean easier cleaning and timeless appeal. Simplicity is the new sophistication. Integrated appliances are a must for a seamless kitchen look. Panel-ready fridges and hidden dishwashers blend right into cabinetry. This creates a streamlined, custom feel, perfect for open-concept spaces. Even integrating just one appliance can make a big impact. Let your cabinetry shine while appliances work quietly in the background. It's a smart way to future-proof your kitchen. Lighting is the jewelry of the kitchen. Make it bold. Oversized pendants, sculptural chandeliers, and mixed metal fixtures are in. Use lighting as a focal point, even in minimalist spaces. Swap out old fixtures for instant drama and personality. Good lighting elevates both function and mood. Let your fixtures be the wow factor. Natural stone countertops, marble quartzite soapstone, are back in a big way. Real stone brings unique veining and organic beauty you can't fake. Marble is trending, but quartzite offers durability with style. Soapstone adds drama with its deep, moody tones. Natural stone is an investment, but it defines the whole space. Embrace the patina and character that comes with age. For a timeless, high-end look, stone is the way to go. Open shelving is evolving. Think curated, not cluttered. Display favorite dishes, glassware, and a few decorative pieces. Limit shelves to small sections for function and style. Show off what you love, but keep it intentional and tidy. It's a great way to add personality without overwhelming the space. Less is more. Edit regularly for a beautiful look. Sustainability is shaping kitchen design like never before. Look for responsibly sourced woods, recycled materials, and low VOC finishes. Energy-efficient appliances and water-saving fixtures are in demand. Bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled glass are top choices. Healthy homes matter. Opt for low-emission paints and toxin-free adhesives. Even small changes like LED lighting make a difference. Eco-friendly design is here to stay. Kitchen islands are now true multitaskers. Prep, dine, work, and store. Features like built-in sinks, appliances, and charging stations are common. The island is the command center for modern living. Design yours to fit your daily needs and routines. A well-planned island transforms how you use your kitchen. It's the heart of the home, more than ever. Smart tech is making kitchens more convenient and efficient. Think voice-activated lighting, Wi-Fi ovens, and touchless faucets. Appliances can help plan meals and monitor groceries. Tech blends in. Discrete panels and built-in charging keep things sleek. Invisible innovation lets you focus on what matters. The smart kitchen trend is only growing.
Know you've been a good friend.
Some trends that once dominated kitchen design are now on their way out, so it's time to say goodbye to all grey kitchens. For years, the monochrome grey look was everywhere, from cabinets to countertops, creating a sleek but sometimes cold atmosphere. But now, homeowners and designers alike are craving more warmth and personality in their spaces. Monochrome grey is being replaced by warmer, richer palettes. Think inviting wood tones, earthy hues, and pops of color that make the kitchen feel more welcoming and lived in. These new color schemes add depth and character, transforming the kitchen into the true heart of the home. Classic white subway tile, once the go-to for backsplashes, is now taking a back seat. Instead, we're seeing a rise in handmade tiles, unique shapes, and bold layouts that bring artistry and individuality to the kitchen. These creative choices help your space stand out and reflect your personal style. Faux shiplap, another popular trend, is also fading away. Designers are now prioritizing authentic materials and finishes. Think real wood paneling, stone, and other natural elements that add genuine texture and timeless appeal. The focus is shifting toward quality craftsmanship and lasting style, rather than quick fixes or imitation finishes. Investing in real durable materials ensures your kitchen will look beautiful for years to come. Of course, if you love these outgoing trends, there's no need to rush to change them. Your kitchen should always feel like home, filled with elements that make you happy and comfortable. But if you're ready for a fresh start and a more personalized space, now's the perfect time to embrace these exciting new directions in kitchen design. Thanks for joining me to explore 2026 top kitchen trends. Use these ideas as inspiration. Make your kitchen your own. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Remember, the best kitchen is the one that fits your life. See you next time.